Hi there! Today we are going to show you how to use the iPhone screen time feature to monitor and control your device usage. First thing first, you can open the screen time by open the setting and then select screen time here. Then once you are in the app or in the menu, you can view your device usage for the day, week or month. This includes information like how much time you spend on each application you have, how many notifications you receive, and many more. If you want to limit your usage of a particular app, you can set an app limit. Just tap on the app you want to limit and then set the amount of time you want to allow yourself to use it each day. And you can also set the downtime, which limit the apps and features you can use during certain hours of the day. This can be useful for reducing distraction and promoting healthy habits. Finally, you can also enable content and privacy restriction to limit access to certain apps or features. This can be useful for parents who want to control their child's device usage. That's it. With this step, you can start using the iPhone screen time feature to monitor and control your device usage. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!